This is Ahmad, Hybrid IT Services. We're going to show you quick installations on our fleet pin product, the DVR, the GPS chip, and 2 terabyte or 1 terabyte hard drive. This is the unit you have received in mail. This is how it looks like. On the back side, we have this lock thing here, which is used to store the hard drives. There are several lights here. We're concerned about like all these lights to power up when we install the unit, to make sure it installed properly and getting enough power for the camera, DVR, and the hard drive to record. On the back side of this unit, we have a VGA cable which you can connect to a screen, the external source. We have this AC plus minus ground. Keep in mind the minimum voltage required for the DVR to power it. It's going to be between 8 to 36 volt. We have AV input and output. This is a thing we use to connect up to 4 cameras. These DVRs are compatible to record 4 cameras simultaneously. And there is a GPS antenna slot here, which is used to record the GPS coordinates while the video is being recorded. We'll show you quickly what kind of amperes we require in the vehicle for the DVR to function. We're installing it in Audi S5. Every vehicle have its own switchboards. Over here we can see like the switchboard for the amperes. Keep in mind we just need up to 5 ampere 5 ampere switch, so you can find any working slot to figure it out. On the camera itself, we have 2 kind of cables that comes with the box. So one cable look like this connector, and the other cable looks like this connector. So based on the type of installation you want to install, if you are just concerned about the DVR to record the video and support up to 1 camera, we are just going to use one power cable, which is this one. We're going to connect it on the DC 8 to 36 volt. And we're just concerned about these 3 wires, the blue, red, and black. Black is the ground earth. This is what you have to connect to get the enough power for the negative. And then the red and yellow wires are the one which is basically used for main power. So what you can do is you can just connect these 2 wires together in order to make it simple. And you can tie them up or roll them simple together. And then you can use a simple switch, or you can connect it in different way based on the kind of installation you guys want to do. But it's as simple as these 2 wires. So this need to be connected at the positive source, and this is the ground earth. We'll quickly show you how we are installing in this particular vehicle. So we're gonna use the switch for 5 ampere to get it the positive power. So these are the extra wires that we install in the vehicle. You don't need to require that, but just to show you an example, you can use any 5 ampere switch. Just connect the red and yellow cable together with this switch. Make sure it's tight enough, and you can just plug it into 5 amp switch to get the power, the positive power. Once you have it connected, you just have to plug it in on the available 5 ampere slot, and this black wire is the ground earth. So obviously you need a metal piece next to it. So in this particular example, since it's an Audi S5, so we can just connect it to a metal screw over here to get the positive and negative connected, and that's all you need. Once you connect this on the DVR, among all these lights, the first light gonna come up is gonna be a power blink that tells you like it's getting power. Give it 15 to 20 seconds for all these lights to come up. Once everything is connected and the camera is connected also on the DVR, you can see the recording light as stable green light. So all these lights gonna be stable green lights, except the run is gonna keep on blinking, which indicates the installation has been done properly. In order to get the recordings out, you're going to use this lock, and it comes with a key to keep it secure. And once you have it, I mean, you can use the power drive. But you can connect the hard drive with the laptop or desktop on our playback software. We're gonna send you a separate video for that. If you have any questions, please call us at 877-484-4994. Thank you.